Hello and welcome to this Volkswagen car sales video on this 2017 67 reg Mark 7.5 Golf GTI 230 DSG 5-door. It's done just under 40,000 miles. It's had 3 owners from new. The first was for a few months, so it's pretty safe to assume that's a Volkswagen main dealer, especially with the spec of this car we'll talk about later. Owners 2 and 3 had the car for just over 3.5 years each. I bought it from owner 3, an IT professional from Hampshire who subscribed to my YouTube channel, offered it to me directly. It's got a full Volkswagen main dealer service history. Owner 3 had the all-in-one plan where you pay for a monthly amount and you get the servicing and a warranty as well. And under that warranty had a new aircon condenser, which is quite common on GTIs and GTDs and other Golf 7s of this age, so be careful if you're buying one. So full dealer history, but it's due a service now, which we're going to do before sale. So spec then, tungsten silver, very rare, very nice, factory option colour. We've got the 19-inch Santiago wheels as well, which again were a factory option colour. Now originally they would have been diamond cut, but the last owner was told by his refurbisher not to have them done again because they'll just corrode again really quickly, so he had them done in black. And it's a really nice job, really glossy black, lovely finish, really nice job. And they come with brand new Goodyear Eagle F1 asymmetric 6 tyres. So if you cost up the refurbishment and the tyres, you're looking at over £1,000, which other cars undoubtedly will be needing. So do bear that in mind. Spec then, wheels, colour, sunroof, so panoramic glass sunroof. No cracks on the surround, or no cracks anywhere, so that's good. There is a problem with them cracking, but if they haven't cracked yet, they probably won't. And then inside we have got full leather, very rare, very nice, very red. In certain lights, all the red perforations can make the seats look quite red. Got red piping as well, really nice condition. And you get the red stitch on the door with a leather section there, which you don't get on the cloth cars. We have got keyless entry and go and rear view camera. We'll have a look at that shortly. Condition wise, there isn't much to report. I think it's largely original paint, but I do know this door top from the swage up, I think, has been painted as a sort of smart repair, because there's a few tiny little bits of dirt in the paint which could be corrected out, but it's beyond my skill set. The good news is there's really not much else to report. We do have a few little chips on the front, which are kind of unavoidable. The bonnet's actually done pretty well. The bumper's got some tungsten silver's quite hard to touch in though, but I don't think it detracts much from it at all. There are no dents either side, no scrapes, nothing. It's a very, very tidy car. We've got a Volkswagen windscreen with a little chip there, but it's not in the zone where you need to worry about it. And then load lip is good. Sometimes you get chunks out of this. Exhaust tips, I've had to clean them, so this hasn't got a petrol particulate filter, this car, and it does sound surprisingly fruity for the entry-level GTI. Back discs are going to get replaced before sale, so ignore them. Fronts have got a little bit of a lip, but they haven't been noted by VW as needed doing, so that's why I'm going to do those, but I'll check those out as well. So yeah, out here, nothing to report. This side of the sunroof, perfect. Okay, passenger seat, original floor mats. There is a book, packed wallet, but the actual instruction manual's not in there, so I'll try and sort that out. Yep, so it's nice in there, door card's great. The back seats have had some use, because he did have 2 girls, 6 and 8, but he was careful that they didn't eat in the car, and he chooses leather just because he knows it's easier to look after than cloth. But they haven't started to dismantle it at all. All the ISOFIX covers are in place. Centre console's not broken. Back seats are not scuffed. So yeah, they've been very good girls. Let's have a look in the boot. So really nothing to report. It actually had 50 psi in the spare, which is pretty good going. I've topped it up to 60. So yeah, all excellent in there. It's got my number plates on it, front and back. And in here it's spot on. Okay, let's have a quick look under the bonnet, then we'll come inside and press some buttons. Okay, interestingly for me, being a nerd, it's got a Banner battery, which is quite rare, and they're some of the best, made in Austria. We've got the stickers here on the sort of air intake. We have got the soundproofing pad, which actually almost fits good, right? Not falling out completely. Maybe that's because these engines run a little bit cooler and they don't make it shrink, which is my theory with the more powerful cars. We have got untouched bolts on the wing and the bonnet on both sides, and there's not an awful lot of paint under the car. That's how they are. It's just base coat. So 39,948 miles. Yes, I was quite pleased I got back without going over 40k from Hampshire. Just lowering my seat. So nice steering wheel, GTI logo there, paddle shifters, adaptive cruise control, keyless down there, very clean cup holder and centre console, adjustable armrest, dual climate aircon works fine. It's had that new aircon condenser. So let's fire up. So that'll be done before sale, so don't worry about that. So yeah, definitely got CarPlay standard on I think all 7.5s. It's a bit hit and miss with Mark 7s, but there's the App Connect option there. So just plug in here, try and use a genuine Apple cable because that will give you a more reliable connection than some of the cheaper copy ones. And I think that's it. There's a sunroof. Let's just demonstrate that. Okay, so you can have it fully open, you can tilt it, you can close it and just let light into the cabin. Weirdly, you can open it and pull the blind forward, which is strangely quite nice. So there we go, a very nice non-performance pack Mark 7.5 Golf GTI, but I think the spec and condition and history makes up for the fact it's not a performance pack car, and they're still pretty quick. And we've also got good tyres, which means that the lack of VAQ diff, which you get with a performance pack, isn't such a big deal. If you need any more information on this car, then don't hesitate to get in touch with me, Andrew Chappell, by email, andrew@volkswizard.co.uk. And don't forget to subscribe to the VAG With channel to see cars for sale there first. Thanks for watching.